This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the chocolate bunny box. This is going to be a very quick and simple box to put together. I'm going to start by putting the other side of the box on here. And then I'm going to put my panels on. I have opted for a chocolate bunny, so I've cut my panels out in brown. These would also look really cute embossed. This would be an easier project you could do with younger children. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put this panel on the inside. Okay. Now, you just want to take this side up enough to clear that part of the foot here that curves in. And then on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. I just want to and then put glue on these tabs. So very simple, very quick. Oops. And then let's put together the bow. So you're going to want to curve this a little bit if you've never made one. And put glue here in the center and bring your tab down without totally flattening your bow. Then glue the other side. And then we have our piece that's going to go around. use enough glue to hold it. I'm going to have to hold this for a few seconds, get it to stick. I'm going to put glue here in the center. I'm going to glue this down. And then glue this on the bunny, right here on his neck, her neck. Looks like a girl with all the pink. And that is the chocolate bunny box. Thank you for joining me.